Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable email notifications for birthdays on Facebook Web on PC with the latest update. It's simple, fast, and helps you stay connected even when you're not checking Facebook every day. First, open Facebook on your web browser and sign in if needed. The layout can look a bit different from time to time as Facebook updates its design, but the steps remain straightforward. You'll want to start from the main homepage where you can see your feed and friends. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This opens a quick menu with options related to your account. It's the same spot you'd use to access your profile, settings, and other personalization features. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This expands a submenu with several choices focused on how Facebook handles your account and content. You'll notice options like General, Security, and Privacy. These are grouped to help you customize your experience. Now go to Settings. This is where you'll manage your core account preferences. It may appear as a standalone item or as part of the drop-down after you click Settings and Privacy. Either way, you're headed to a central hub for your account options. In Settings, locate and click Notifications. This section controls where and how Facebook informs you about activity, including birthdays. It's organized by different categories, so you'll see a list you can scroll through to tailor notifications exactly how you want them. Find birthdays in the list of notification categories. Tap or click it to access the specific settings for birthday notices. Here you can customize how you receive reminders and alerts related to friends' birthdays. Finally, enable email. Toggle the switch or checkbox to turn on birthday emails. Once activated, Facebook will send you birthday notifications to the email address associated with your account. If you ever want to adjust this later, you can return to the same birthday section to disable or tweak the setting. That's it. Your birthday alerts will now come by email, so you won't miss a celebration even when you're away from Facebook. If you'd like, you can pair this with push notifications or in-app reminders for a multi-channel approach.